heading down to do some fishing. The water's really clear. It's beautiful. I bet I could see fish from the bridge. I brought my musky pole and I brought a regular pole with a Rapala on it. So I'm going to do a little bit of both. I want to do some musky fishing and I want to do some bass fishing, walleye, whatever. So this should be fun. My first cast is going to be up underneath the bridge here. If I can make it down here without dying. There's got to be a hungry fishy over here. Alright, we're going to try a different spot here. I need to get out. Oh, the water is low. That's insanity. Oh, there was a frog. Now this used to be my little walleye hole years ago. I would always toss my Rapala basically straight out there and just give it a few jerks as I retrieve it. Maybe let it stop. I would try all kinds of things. There's a fish. Oh! I got a bass. Just a little guy, but oh, so much fun. Come here. I got you hooked pretty good. Yes, sir, I do. Some of my videos, you guys might remember me camping underneath a bridge for the night. Well, right over there's the spot where we camp. Well, I'm about to get wet. That's for sure. I'm about to get really wet. That's okay. So beautiful down here. Yeah, I'm gonna see if I can work my way out to that big rock out there. Get out there. A lot of this has been pushed back. That's insane. That's insane. Yeah, and it's back there too. This river's a rager at times. That's for sure. Alright, let's get wet. Woo! That is definitely cold water. Definitely cold water. Different spot. I'm gonna go hit this up for, I don't know, maybe half hour, 40 minutes, something like that. Not very long. Oh my goodness. That is a really big caterpillar. Wow. Look at the size of this big black caterpillar. Wonder what that'll turn into. That's beautiful. That's huge. It's a fat, fluffy one. There's a fish. Not a very big one, but oh, he let go. Ah. Met up with Adam finally. Been talking about that all day. So it's time to get our fish on. This is where the fishing really starts to pick up. Show off. Within a week.
This is not helping the farming.
Oh!
Walleye.
You think?
Yeah.
That's a nice one. Oh my God.
That's just 18.
Yeah, that's a nice walleye. Put that in front of your shirt, huh?
I would like some.
Oh,
Yeah, like,
oh my God.
yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh my God. See? Oh, he's barely hooked. Oh, come on, buddy. I got my stringer too, you mother. All right. Oh my God. That's a beautiful walleye, Adam. Holy mackerel.
That's why we're here.
Oh, holy cow. Sorry I got you all full of sand, big guy. Oh yeah.
This guy wants to switch to the phone.
Don't you friggin' move on me. You don't happen to have your miner in my bag. Oh, I got it. Holy crap. Wow. Well, let's take a measurement quick. A rough measurement. Don't move. Oh, 17 and 5/8. I'll take it. Yeah. I caught a leaf. You'll never believe what I hauled in on the boat last weekend. I actually hooked a rock.
Really?
And I actually got it into the boat. I kept it. I'm mounting it. It's at the taxidermist right now. I'm not kidding. I could not believe that. What? It was about the size, I don't know. It was kind of flattish.
Yeah.
I don't have anything in comparison right here, but yeah. Could not believe it. Oh shit. Well, not officially the last fish on my bait caster. Hungry little fella, huh? Oh man, that's a muskie.
Yeah?
Yep. Oh, he let go. Oh no. Wasn't very big, but oh Jesus. He let go. He just took off, man. Holy cow. Probably lower 20s. Yeah, he just hammered it though, man. That was awesome.
Yeah.
Oh, that got my blood going. I'll tell you that right now, man. Woo! Oh, I've caught big bass with this. I've used it up in Miller Dam. You know, the last fish I caught with this was the one on my wall.
Oh yeah?
Yep. Yep. True story.
Right.
Mm.
And I can cast further now.
Well, I got my walleye. I'm gonna go for a muskie now. Oh, he let go.
Yep.
But he came back the very next day. Holy cow.
Is that the same fish I just let go? Kissing cousins with that one.
That's a nice one too. Oh, yeah. I don't know if that's a northern or a muskie, but I'm coming. Oh, a nice one. Oh, come on, little guy. We're not trying to hurt. Oh,
Thank you.
thank you. There you go. Oh, slippery, slimy.
That's not how you want to find yourself.
There we go. We got your shirt in the background. I can always pull a picture out of this for you.
Awesome.
I don't have my phone on me.
I do, but that's right.
Yeah. That's right.
I'm the same one.
Yeah, I think that was.
Yeah. Both the same size.
Cool. You got him. Oh my God. A nice northern. Just followed it right up to shore here. Real nice northern. Oh, I hope the camera caught that. That was cool. I think it might have been Adam's northern. Always hungry for perch today. There we go. There's a fish. I don't know what it is, but it hasn't surfaced. Oh, it's a bass. Nice bass. Got him hooked twice, 3 times. Well, there you have it. A good day of fishing on the Black River. My buddy Adam joined me today. I'm glad he did. He took me to some pretty cool spots, actually some stuff I didn't even know about. As fall approaches here, the muskie, the pike, the walleye, and the bass are all fattening up for winter. And now's the time to get out here and hit it. Today was fun. I might come back out tomorrow, but I'll probably go to a different spot. I'm not sure. I've got the canoe on the car, so I might go somewhere a little bigger. I don't know. We'll see. But hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely some nice fish in here. Till next time, guys. Later.